Thanks for staying with us. 10 men have been found guilty at the Federal High Court in Lagos on 4 counts of hijacking a Chinese fishing vessel on the Gulf of Guinea in May last year. They were sentenced to 12 years on each of the counts, which is to run concurrently, and ordered to pay a fine of 1 million naira each. Kemi Foladiemo reports.
The 10 convicts are Frank Abaka, Jude Baraga, Shino Alolo, Joshua Iwiki, David Akisheye, Ahmed Toyin, Shobajo Said, Adekole Philip, Matthew Marcy, and Bright Agbedeyi. They were arraigned by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation before Justice Faji in July 2020. The Nigerian Navy says it also rescued 18 crew members on board FV Hai Lufeng 2 when the men were arrested on international waters off Abidjan, the capital of Cote d'Ivoire. Each defendant pleaded not guilty, following which trial commenced and was completed within a year. Delivering his judgment on Friday, Justice Faji said the prosecution proved its case beyond reasonable doubt that the pirates indeed hijacked the Chinese vessel which belongs to Naira Fishing Company. The judge also held that all the defendants acted in hijacking the ship to achieve their common goal, and that the offense affects the well-being of Nigerians and the country's image in the diaspora. Aside the jail term and fine handed down on them, the court ordered that the monies recovered by the Nigerian Navy, which were said to have been stolen from their victims, are to be forfeited to the federal government, as the hostages have since returned to their countries.
This is kudos to our laws and to also show that our institutions, both the arresting, investigating and adjudicating agencies, are very strong and frown at anybody who is out to sabotage the economy of this country. Those are the grounds for the...
This is the first of 2 cases that will be prosecuted under the 2019 anti-piracy law of Nigeria. A related case was concluded earlier in Port Harcourt after the defendants entered a guilty plea. But in this instant case here in Lagos, the defendants say they will challenge their conviction and are now heading to the Court of Appeal.
They said they were in possession of firearms, that they threw the firearm through a space in the vessel, and there was nothing like that. There was no evidence to say that. But of course, like I said, my Lord has, in its infinite wisdom, has done his own part. But gloriously, thank God, this is the court of first instance. Like I said earlier, we are going to climb upstairs. We are going to challenge the judge. We are going to test the judgment on appeal.
The Nigerian government says this judgment should serve as a deterrence to others against piracy and other maritime crimes within the Gulf of Guinea. Kemi Foladiemo, TVC News, Lagos.